In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Homebase. Whether you're looking to update your schedule for the long term or notify your manager of a temporary change, this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step effortlessly. To kick things off, you'll need to sign in to your Homebase account. You can do this through the web interface, which is user-friendly and designed for quick navigations. If you're new to Homebase, remember that having your login credentials at hand will make this initial step seamless. Once you're signed in, the next thing you'll want to do is locate your availability settings. This is where you'll input all your preferred working times and any unavailable slots. To find this section on the web, you'll need to hover over the Schedule tab. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on My Availability. Now, let's delve into the specifics of setting your availability. First, you'll want to enter your regular availability. These are the core times that you're open to working, like weekdays after 3 p.m., for example. It's best to set this up according to your typical routines and commitments outside work, ensuring a balanced work-life schedule. Next, you'll have an option to indicate your preferred shifts. These are the shifts you'd love to work but aren't necessarily bound to. This might include specific times or days where you'd prefer to clock in. But if something else comes up, it's not the end of the world. It's a great way to communicate your ideal working conditions to your manager while staying flexible. Then, there's the category for unavailable blocks. These are the times when you absolutely cannot work under any circumstances. Whether it's due to personal commitments, other job responsibilities, or simply needing a day off, marking these blocks clearly is crucial. It helps your manager to plan the schedule accordingly, without any scheduling conflicts arising. Additionally, if you have temporary changes coming up, such as appointments or vacations, this is the place to note them. Temporary changes are those occasions that deviate from your regular availability. Perhaps you need a specific day off next week, or you can cover extra shifts temporarily. By specifying these details, you ensure that your manager is aware of any short-term alterations to your schedule. Once you've filled out all these sections, the final step is to make it official. You do this by clicking either Add, followed by Submit, or Notify Manager for approval, depending on your specific interface options. By doing this, you ensure that your new availability settings are sent to your manager promptly, keeping everyone on the same page. With these simple steps, you've successfully set your availability in Homebase. This ensures clarity and seamless communication between you and your workplace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.